here we have the early bird for Tuesday for year 5. So the first question is asking which of these numbers are square numbers. So a square number is a number which is the result of a number times by itself. So for example, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9. Well, 9 is a square number then, because 3 times 3 is 9. 8 and 2 are not square numbers. 4 times 4 is 16, yeah, so not 15. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. So of the numbers available, those are the square numbers. Question number 2, is 3 a factor of 27? That means, can we make 27 by multiplying it by something by 3? Well, if we count in our 3 times table, we know that 3 times 9 equals 27, so that means yes, 3 is a factor of 27 because 3 times 9 is 27. Question 3, 2/5 equals something 30/5. So again, when we're finding equivalent fractions, which equals means that they're going to be equivalent, they're going to be worth the same on both sides. So if we're finding equivalent fractions with a different denominator, we can find out what it multiplies by. So our 5 multiplies by 7 to make 35, and because it's equivalent, we do the same to the numerator as the denominator. So then 2 times 7 would be 14. So 2/5 is the same as 14 35ths. Next one, 3 hours equals how many minutes? Well, 1 hour is 60 minutes, 2 hours is 120 minutes, 3 hours is 180 minutes. 3 hours are 180 minutes. Last question, 16.3 subtract 6.45. When we've got a question which is subtraction, we've got a different number of decimal places. So these numbers are after the decimal point are known as decimal places. So this number has 2 decimal places. This number has 1 decimal place. So we can make them the same by adding a placeholder. So we've got 16.30 subtract 6.45, and then we've got 0 subtract 5, which we can't do. So we have to get a tenth. So now we've got 10 hundredths, take away 5 hundredths, which is 5. 2 tenths, take away 4 tenths, we can't do, so we need to get some more tenths. And then we turn our 1s into 10 tenths, and now I've got 12 tenths, take away 4 tenths, which is 8 tenths. 5 1s, take away 6, we can't do. Now we've got 15 1s, take away 6, which is 9. Then we've got nothing, so we exchanged our 110 to be 10 1s. So now we've got 9.85 as our answer.